Do you want your game apps to appear everywhere on your phone or only in the gaming hub? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can decide exactly where they show up. Here's how to set it up. Swipe up your home screen to open apps. Find Gaming Hub and then tap it to open it. Tap the three dots in the top corner. Then tap Setting. Tap Show Game Apps. Here you will see two options in Gaming Hub and the Home and App screen. This makes your games appear in both Gaming Hub and your regular app drawer or home screen. It's great if you want faster access from anywhere. Next, in Gaming Hub only, it hides games from the home screen and app drawer, keeping them organized in one place. It's perfect if you want a cleaner look and less clutter. Let's select in Gaming Hub only as an example. This is useful if you want to avoid mixing work and play on the same home screen. Now your game apps will only appear inside Gaming Hub, making your home and app screen neater while still keeping your game just one tap away. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.